Hi, I'm going to show you how to install the new portal for Beyond Labs. You're going to first go to this website and then you'll click to log in. If you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and click register. There's another video to walk you through that if you need help with that. I've already created an account, so I'll enter my information here and click login. Now, if I don't have the connector installed yet, it will give me the option to download the connector. If you already have 1.7, go ahead and read what the installation guide says about what you need to do to get your license from 1.7 over before you do this step. So I'll click download, and then I'm on Windows, so I'll click for the Windows installer. Once that finishes downloading, go ahead and click on that installer. You'll need to click the More Info button and click Run Anyway. Then approve of any warnings that pop up. And then you'll go through a standard installation process. Click Finish. And then if you can see the icon down here, you know you've connected to our connector. So it says after downloading and installing, go to the Labs page, click Connect. There we go. Now I've already entered my activation code, so it didn't take me through the activation code step. There's another video about that if you need help with that. Now this takes me to the installation of the Labs page. You can just go ahead and click to download any of these labs if you need to. There's another video about that. And then you are set to run and enjoy the labs as we have here. We hope this helps.